my amazing learners. You're welcome to my channel, Maths with Peter. I want us to look at an interesting topic, and this topic is basically for maths beginners, those who are trying to learn maths. And the topic is numbers and numerals. Numbers and numerals. When we say numbers, what does it mean? Talking about numbers, it talks about the amount or the quantity of something. Talking about number, meaning the amount of something. So, for example, a number like 1. 1 is a number, 2 is a number, 9 is a number, 10 is a number, and so on and so forth. That's why we talk about numbers. Number is talking about quantity of something. So that's number. Then now let's go to numerals. Talking about numerals, numerals is talking about how the numbers are being written. How the numbers are being written. So we write our numbers like in this form. But the Romans, they write their numbers in the form of I for 1, I for 2, then I for 3. So numeral is talking about the way the numbers are being written. So that's the concept about numbers and numerals. Let's continue. So could you believe that the numbers that we have in the whole world, from 1 up to 100 to 1 million to trillions and so on and so forth, they are all built from 0 up to 9. Do you know that? So let's see. So any number at all, let's say any number at all. So any number like 250 or 15 or 2000. 2000, this number, they are only built from 0 to 9. They are the only numbers that you used to writing this. So 2000, you have 2, you have 10, 10, making 2000. Have you seen it? So talk about 10,000. 10,000 to, you still use the same numbers. So let me demonstrate the numbers to you. So I have a numbers card, so let's see. So I'm talking about these numbers. So these are the numbers that we use for, so they are from 0. So from 0, they go to 1, then we move to 2, we move to 3, we move to 4, move to 5, we move to 6, we move to 7, we move to 8, the last one is 9. So any number we are written in this world, they are all basically from these numbers, from 0 to 9. There's nothing anywhere, there's no number anywhere. They are all built from what? 0 to 9. So for example, like I'm going to write 20. So to write 20. So with 20, which is 2 and 0, which is 20, you can get it from 0 to 9. So this is it. So have you seen? So when you put these 2 and the 0 together, we have our 20. Have you seen? So I'm telling you that, prove to me right now that these numbers that we have written, we are writing in this world, like 50,000, 100 million. You can use different number anywhere to write them. No, there's no number. They are only from 0 up to 9. So that's how it is. So another example is like 200. So you want 200, how to use that? Add 0 to it. So you take the same 2, we add 0, making 200. Have you seen? So these numbers are made from 1 up to 9. So any number that are in this world, they are all made from 1 up to 9. There's no number from anywhere. So I hope you understand and you are following me. So now that we know that our numbers are built from 1 to 9, then now let's get into number writing, how to write numbers. Okay, let's write numbers. So already, I hope you know that you can write 20 like this, and you can write 30, you can write 40. So if you can write these ones, then what you should do is that now let's look at their number names. Let's look at how to write number names. So 1, how do you write it in words? 2. Okay, so let's look at that one first before anything else. So we are going to learn how to write the figures in words. So let's go. So 1 is written O-N-E, 1. Then 2, TWO, 2. 3, THEE, that's 3. Then go to 4, FOUR, 4. 5, FIVE, 5. Then 6, SIX, 6. 7, SEVEN, 7. Then go to 8. 8 is written EIGHT. Then 9, sorry. So 9 is written NINE. Then 10. 10 is TEN, 10. So I want all of us to know how to write this number, these figures in their ways before proceeding. So 1, so you can see that 1 is this, 2 is written this way, 3 is written this way, 4 is written this way, up to 10. The reason why it is good that we should know how to write these numbers in their ways is that in maths you'll be asked, or the numbers in numerals, you'll be asked to write the number names of the numbers, the number names. So example, we can ask you an example that write 200 in words, 200 in words, write 1001 in words. So with these reasons, you are supposed to learn how to write these numbers in words. Okay, so I hope you all follow. You have seen how to write these numbers. So another important one is that let's look at how to write 11 until 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then with that, you can write any number at all in this one now. Okay, the 100, okay, 50 and stuff. So let's do that. Let's do that. 10,000. So let me clean the board. So let me click here. So now let's write the difficult numbers now. So let's look at 11. How do we write 11? So 11 is written. So this is how to write 11. This is 11. Then go to 12. 12. This is how to write 12. Then 13. 13 and then 14. So those ones, if you know 13, which is this way, 13. Then the rest 14, 15. What we do is that we just maintain the 1, 2, 3 that we have written and add a tin to it. So with the 13, now let's move on to 20. 20. 20. 20. How do I write 20? So 20 is written this way. 20. So with 20, you want to write 22, 21. You just write the 20, so 22. So just write the 20. Then you add 2 to it. The 2 to it, making 22. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? I hope you are following. So now you can write this one. So let's proceed with the 0 numbers. The 0 numbers. So 0 numbers like 30. So how do you write 30? So 30 is written this way. So you have to write 30. 30. THIRTY. 30. Then 40. 40. So 40 is written this way. With the 40, we don't write the 4. We're writing this one to be so. The 40, we don't write this way. You write this way, it's wrong. So this is the correct write a written of 40. So this is the right way of writing 40. So because of we are just starting today, so we'll end our lesson at 50. So we'll learn how to write up to 50. Then the next time we continue up to even 1,000, 10,000. So 50. 50, which is FIFTY. The 50, you don't write 50. No, you write it this way, it's wrong. FIVTY is wrong. So in 50, you write it FIFTY. This is the correct writing of the number names of 40, 50, 40, 30, 22, 20, 13, 12, and 11. So this is what we look at today. So we are writing the number names. First, we look at what the meaning of numbers. By the meaning of numbers, we look at the meaning of numerals, and we look at the numbers that we have in the mathematics or in the world. The numbers that we have, the numbers are from 0 up to 9. This 0 to 9, they made up all the numbers that we have been writing in this world. Then from there, we look at how to write the number names of the numbers, like 1, how to write 1 in words, 2 till we reach 50. So for me not to load it too much today, let's end our lesson here with the writing of 50. So your assignment, so this assignment for me. So please submit the answers in the comment section of the lesson or the lesson, yes, the video. So your assignment. So homework, let's say homework. So write the number names of the following numbers. So A, another name for 14. B, another name for 9. C, another name for 15. And the last one, another name for 44 for me. So please do the assignment and send answers in the comment section of the lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Master Twitter. Click on the subscription button and like my videos and comment as well. So see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.